General Motors will cut outsourcing from 90% of its IT budget to only 10% in 3 years if its CIO Randy Mott has his way. An IT magazine has reported that Mott wants to move off the IT work in-house, a move coming in at a time when Obama government noises on anti-outsourcing is only getting louder. Which companies are going to be impacted by this move? Let's go across to Chandra Ranganathan for more details. Chandra.
That's right. These comments were apparently made by the CIO Randy Mott at a town hall recently, and he really has a reputation for doing this even in his past stints, be it with Dell, HP or Walmart. Now, as far as vendors are concerned, the major global vendors who service General Motors include the likes of an IBM, Capgemini and also HP. But the major India-based vendors include TCS and Wipro. In fact, we understand that TCS has the largest exposure as far as the Indian IT pack is concerned, whereas Wipro's exposure has been coming down over the years. So clearly, if they indeed push through with this move, it will be negative for these companies. But a lot of analysts and outsourcing experts we've been speaking to say that it's highly impractical to really move everything in-house when outsourcing is the prevalent trend. Also, it will not be easy to find talent on a similar scale in the US. So clearly, it sounds like a very unpractical plan, but in the current environment, when there's so much of noise around anti-outsourcing, we just have to wait and see if Randy Mott convinces his management to really take this plan forward.